Alright, folks, we back at it. Doesn't matter how many times I come out here and don't kill anything, I'll just keep on coming. Eventually I'll get one. I was sitting out in the woods again, the edge of the field. Thought I heard something walking right back there somewhere. I ain't seen it. I'll show y'all where I'm at, just to let you see. Right back out here in the trees, in the thick stuff. Maybe something will come out. Got my scent bombs laid out. Sitting here with a 12 gauge. Just wait. Got a trail that comes through there and one that comes through there.